Nomakler is an innovative solution for the real estate market that enables buyers, sellers, and tenants to interact freely and reliably without intermediaries. Our application addresses many of the known issues in the real estate market and provides users with a reliable and convenient tool for searching, buying, and renting properties. Nomakler offers users the opportunity to post their ads for selling and renting properties without intermediaries. This means you can manage your transactions independently and interact directly with potential clients or property owners. You can communicate directly with potential buyers or sellers, discuss transaction terms, and handle documentation yourself. One of the main features of the Nomakler application is the 360-degree tour function. This allows you to view properties from all angles without leaving your home. You can explore the rooms, the surrounding area, and even the neighborhood's view. This will help you make informed decisions about buying or renting a property. Nomakler provides time and cost savings, safety and reliability through verified ads, ease of use with an intuitive interface, and the option for shared leases to reduce rental costs. It's a new step towards a progressive real estate market where buyers and sellers can communicate directly, without intermediaries. Download the app today to save time, money, and trust a reliable real estate tool.